Hi everyone, welcome to my first daily edition. In this daily edition, I'll be explaining my ideas and my solutions for the DE4. So, there are 2 pages. The topic is about business growth. So the first question, which is a warm-up, states that draw lines to match the following methods of growth with their correct description, with the terms merger and takeover. So, merger. According to my research, merger is when four firms join together to form a new but larger firm. And the takeover is when a firm grows by buying more than half the shares in another firm, which is like taking over the company. 1. Explain one disadvantage of expanding by internal growth. So internal growth is like expanding using a business' own resources. So for example, a food company can expand their business by taking their own money to expand it rather than using investment, passive income, or cooperating or merging with another company. So my answer for this was that using internal growth would drain the business's resource, meaning that sooner or later the business won't have any more resources to continue and it will fail financially. 2. Perfect Cats Ltd. Make cat accessories. They're planning to grow their business by setting up a website to sell their products through. Outline one benefit of growing in this way. So basically, my thinking is that they can have more platforms to sell their items, which means that in general, they have more platforms to connect with more customers in order to make more profit. 3. Discuss how a business might expand by organic growth. So organic growth is basically internal growth. So since a business knows what they're doing and they know the people in their business really well, it means that they can cooperate better than if they were to cooperate with another firm. Since in their own business they can easily understand each other, the messages and the general goal will be clear to everyone in the company. Now, 4. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions that follow. Alright, so after reading it, the first question is, outline one reason why Relish Today may have chosen to take over Bales Farming Ltd. So basically, Bales Farming Ltd. is their supplier because Relish Today they make jams and chutneys. So my thinking is that they might have taken over Bales Farming because it's their supplier, meaning that they can get their supplies for less. B. Figure. Alright, after the figure, the question is talking about outlining one reason why the expansion may have led to lower average unit costs for Relish Today. So, Relish Today before taking over, they had to buy supplies from Bailey's farm for profit, meaning that it wasn't the original cost. So Bailey's was trying to make a profit, but after it failed, it was taken over by Relish Today. So now, instead of buying things for more expensive, like for profit, as originally bought, they bought it for the original price. So, for example, 1 pound of strawberries from Bales Farming sold for profit is 10 pounds. However, now that they've taken over, it only costs 7 pounds, which is why with this, they can have more profit but less money needed. D. Analyze the likely impact of restructuring the hierarchy of Bales Farm Ltd. on Relish Today. So, with Bales Ltd. being lower than them, they will have to listen, meaning that Relish Today is managing their own supplier, so it's gonna thrive as a business. So that's all of my explanations for the DE4. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.